All right, let's go ahead and look at the third drawing. We're going to draw the left side, all right? So basically what we're going to do here is we're going to project the lines to our right. So R-A-Y, same principle, okay? And my AutoCAD, it just doesn't seem to want to snap right tonight. And you'll learn when you're working with AutoCAD, sometimes I think it becomes self-aware, and that's a joke, but sometimes I really do. Because sometimes it'll do things that you're not telling it to do, and it gets a little stubborn from time to time. But sometimes it just happens, and you have to know what to do when it does happen. Okay, if you're ever working on AutoCAD and it's just doing everything the opposite of what you're telling it, it's probably best to save your drawing, close out the program, restart your computer, and then restart AutoCAD. Especially if you leave it open after you work on it. Like say you work on it one day, you leave the AutoCAD program open for 24 hours. A lot of times it'll get glitches or get bugs that way, and you'll have to restart to get it to reset itself to think properly. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and project the line here, R-A-Y. And let's go ahead and project this line. Okay, so just like we did here, let's go ahead and draw a line so we can give us a starting point. And this will be the actual side of the drawing. And offset that line 2.30, offset 2.30. Let's go here, just like that. Okay, let's clean these lines up some, because this part is actually pretty simple. So we should get it done fairly quick. So that's pretty much what you're dealing with in a nutshell, which is this right here, okay? All right. So you want to take a line here. Let's see. Well, just go ahead and draw a line right here, and then offset this line 0.2. And then one more time, and then the same way this way, to offset it to the right. And let's go ahead and draw a line from this endpoint to this endpoint. So you hit L for line, and you draw this line right here. Then you select that line in my mirror, go to this center guy right here, pull up, click, then right click, then hit enter. Let's go ahead and take these lines off. I was just using them for references. So type in TR to trim, hit the space bar twice. All right, now what you want to do is you want to come here, draw a line, and offset it 4. Offset 0.4. Then delete the center line here. Then TR for trim, spacebar twice, and clean this line up. Okay. So now you see how we draw these small parts, similar to what we did last week. I'm not going to add the dimensions on here. I'm going to have you guys to add the dimensions. So the dimensions that's on the drawings, I want you to show those same dimensions. And if you're not familiar with dimensions, go ahead and refer back to assignment number 2 videos. We went over dimensioning in detail there. So you should be able to dimension these, and you should be able to actually set them up on sheets, okay? So, and if you have a problem with setting up the sheets, refer back to assignment 2 as well. And also, if you're still having issues with it, just let me know. I'll talk to you guys in class on tomorrow and answer any questions at that time, okay? So thank you guys, and talk to you soon.